Hello, my name is Nicolette. I'm a mom of 5 and I'm going to share with you all of the tips I have learned, researched, watched, and heard, of course, from other YouTubers starting their first channel in 2025. Let's see if those tips work for us and let's see if they work for you. Help us along this journey and let's see how we do, okay? So that was a lot of rhyming for no reason, but anyway. I have 5 very important tips. Don't worry, nothing here is going to break the bank, have you overthinking, or guess what? It might actually help you get started today. Let's jump right in, right? With tip number 1. Create a simple, catchy name for your YouTube channel. Okay, think about it like this. Whatever you pick, it's going to be on your merch, it's going to be on your t-shirts, it's going to be put on other platforms. Has to be something catchy. If you have no idea, you can't think of anything, you've looked at different names that they're already taking up, just use your name. At the end of the day, it's your channel and you can always change it, so don't worry, change it. So don't freak out. And at the end of the day, whatever you start with today might not be the name you end up with, right? So screw it. Pick something, don't overthink it, just use your name if nothing else fails. Okay, let's talk about tip number 2. Don't overstress what you're going to use to record this video. It's your first video. Just grab your camera, grab your phone. I'm using right now an S25 Plus, so Samsung phone and Android, but I know the iPhone and the iPhone lovers out there, they have great cameras as well, so don't overthink this and just get your phone recording. Just start, guys. Okay guys, let's talk about tip number 3. This one actually is very, very important because this is your topic of your entire YouTube channel. So if you have no idea what you're gonna talk about, what you're gonna resolve, who you're talking to, what you're talking about, if you don't have a niche, hey, the word niche is a big deal for a lot of content creators out there, but if you're just starting, this is literally your first video, your first channel ever. Don't worry, don't get stuck on the fact that maybe you don't know exactly what your niche is going to be. If you have no idea what the word niche even means, let's just start from there. And niche is basically a topic that you're going to focus in and laser on that specific topic. But again, don't worry about this. Sometimes people start with a certain niche and all of a sudden they start recording videos, they start vibing with the video, and they end up realizing that what they started with is not what they end up with, and maybe they do something in between there, right? So again, don't get hung up on what your niche is going to be, but do start planning this out, okay? Do not just think, okay, I'm gonna hop on this video and it's just gonna work, it's gonna buy, people are gonna like it. No, that's not the way it's going to work. At least to maximize your views, your watch time, and people to subscribe to your channel so you can eventually monetize this channel. Trust me when I say you need to plan out your content, whether that be, you know, who it's for, what you're gonna talk about, what you're interested in, what you're good at maybe, what flows out of your system, you know what I mean? Like, guys, this is a really big deal. Okay guys, let's move on to tip number 4. Okay, lighting. Lighting is a really, really big deal when it comes to these videos. Yes, you can buy a ring light, you can buy a camera light, you can stand by a window, you can have natural light, you can go outside. But what you do not want is a dark, dungeon, dim video, because the more light, the more exposure on the video, right, of the content. It's clearer, higher quality. It just makes your video more appealing, more like wanting to watch it. Nobody wants to watch a dark, dingy, dim, like out of focus video when you're trying to like actually learn something. Focus really on getting that light, whether it be natural light, a ring light, a phone light, some kind of a light while you're getting started. Again, don't overthink this. It's your first video on your YouTube channel. Just stand by the window, go outside, get your ring light, put your camera light on your phone, do something, but make sure you have some light for the best quality in your video. Okay, and last, but definitely not the last one, because there's so many tips out there that I will probably do a part 2, even a part 3 of other tips that we could do to help you and help us expand this first YouTube channel in 2025. But the final one is take action, guys. Like, watch this video, you learn these tips, you know what to do. Go get that camera, go get that ring light, go get that tripod, whatever it might be. Get a grip of what you want to talk about. in your video and just do it. Just start. You could always retake the shot. You could always edit it. You could always add things to it. You know, it doesn't have to be the perfect video, but it has to be a video. Try to maximize, you know, again, your quality of your phone, the light, the natural light. Try to plan out what you're going to do. Again, don't overthink this, but just start, guys. The last tip is literally just take action, just start. It's awkward, it's a little weird when you're talking to the camera, but try to think about it as like you're FaceTiming your best friend instead of like that annoying Zoom call that we had, you know, back in 2020. And you didn't want to be on those calls and it was awkward and it was kind of like public speaking, but you were on a camera and you know what I mean? Like, let's not have it be that, okay? let's let it flow. I do talk pretty fast, but I will say that, like I said, it's a little awkward, but at the end of the day, it's my first video. It can't be that bad, and at least I took action, which is the most important thing. Always have eye contact, and yeah, just do your thing, guys. Just start. Okay, guys, so at the end of the day, we got to the end. We're here. You got this far. Please do me the favor, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, write a comment, give me advice, give me any tips that you might have seen, heard, or things I could change, critique, do better in this video, and stick along for the next few videos and the next few days of where we're going with this grand YouTube channel, which is basically a mom of 5 kids that wants to cruise with and without kids, and follow along for the next few videos. Give us a shot. Let us know if this channel that you're looking at right now helped you in any way. Please comment if you, as well if you're trying to think about like, where is this lady going, right? Where is she going with this YouTube channel? Because I really didn't talk about that. If you're still here, like I said, please subscribe and follow along. And it's going to go in the journey of a mom of 5 that is highly overstimulated, overwhelmed all the time because of all the chaos with 3 under 3 and 2 teenagers. Sports mom, I'm always on the go, but at the end of the day, I'm trying to monetize this YouTube channel, monetize my social media platforms, and help other moms, again, plan out their life, plan out their cruising, travel with and without kids. I am not a travel agent, so let's just make sure we say that in this video. I am not here to promote travel or any type of links for travel, but I will say that I'm going to take you on the journey that I am going on in the next couple of months with my kids cruising for the first time. And like I said, with all the chaos, of course. So again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and welcome to our channel.